Hi, this is Duke Williams, and thanks for taking a few minutes to see how to add a scan signature to your CapData ACORD forms. You can add a scan signature to any form in the CapData ACORD form family. You can upload the signatures yourself, so we don't become a bottleneck or an extra expense for you. And you can upload as many signatures as you need. We don't put any limits on that. Once you've added a signature, you can email, fax, or print the forms that have that scanned signature. To add a signature, go to the Profiles tab, and then go to Your Profile. The bottom of the screen is where you manage signatures. Click on the Help icon to learn how to upload scanned signatures. This is a very quick and easy reference guide. It also contains a link to the form where you will write your signature for scanning it in so that it will fit. So click on the link to the guide. It'll open up as a PDF. It shows examples of how you'll want to write your name into the spaces provided. You want to use a thick point dark pen to have the best effect. It also gives you instructions on how to upload this into your system. You'll need to use it as a JPEG or a GIF file. If you don't have a scanner and can't scan it in yourself, we strongly suggest the local Kinko's or other copy shop. And if you absolutely can't do that, you can fax it to us, and for a small fee, we will add it for you. To upload the file from your desktop, click on the Browse button, select the file you want to upload from your normal Explorer, click Save, and that will upload your file and put a name in. You can change the name if you want to. You click Upload and it puts it into your system. Now it's ready to be used. Once a signature file is uploaded into CapDat, you can edit it or delete it. To edit it, you can either upload another scan file or you can change the name. We'll cancel this to not make any changes. To delete a file, you click Delete, and it says, "Are you sure, yes or no?" If you say yes, it checks to see if you're using that signature on any existing files and reminds you of that. You would probably want to keep a signature even if you're not going to use it again, if you're using it on all existing files. Now I'll show you how to add a specific scan signature to a specific form. We'll do this from blank forms. You select the form you want, select a profile if you want to put the profile in of the customer you want. Click Open the form, and we're going to assume that you've already filled the form out. You'll just go ahead and click Submit the form, select where to save it as you normally would, and you can see Add a Signature, Scan Signature, and you select the signature you want to add. Then you name the form. Of course, you can go ahead and put in your tags, etc. if you want to, and save. And the saved form will now have the signature on it. So open the form we just saved. We'll scroll down to the signature portion. You'll see that I did not use a thick, bold print, and my signature is rather thin. You'll want to do better than I am. But once it's in there, and you can mail it or email it or fax it or print it or do whatever you need to, and you have a signed form. Thanks very, very much for your time. If you have any more questions, you can call Nell Hammock or myself, Duke Williams, at this number, or email us. Or if you want to learn more about our product, visit our website, simplyeasyacordforms.com. Thanks again for your time.